Testing. Hi guys, Stanton here from Algo Trading. Welcome to another Algo Trading live session. We're going to be doing some live trading and some technical analysis today. Today I'm really going to focus on SHIBA INU. I'm going to look at the technical analysis. I'm going to explain where I think it's going to go. I'm going to ignore macro news for now, the burn rates, things like that. That doesn't matter to me. I look at the charts, and the charts are a graphical representation of what's happening in the news. So I like to look at the charts and the charts only. Okay, so let's go to the charts. We're going to go into SHIBA. As you can see, I have taken a trade on SHIBA. I've got a trade currently running. Now let's go to the daily chart. I'm going to open up this wider so we can all see. Sorry about the slow internet. It happens when you're streaming. Okay, let me just see. I'm just going to pop up this chat quickly. Excuse me for 1 second. Fix it full screen. I'm gonna pop out this chat. All right. Wow, we're slow. This takes up extremely large amount of resources. This. Just try to see if we can close some stuff. Okay, let's refresh this page. Takes up a lot of resources by bit. We're just going to refresh. Okay, so while that's refreshing, let's look at some news. So, what this analyst is saying basically is that no matter how much they're burning, we're still going down. And we're still seeing bearish signals. According to this tweet from SHIB BPP, they're looking at burning something like 111 trillion SHIBU per year. And currently the SHIBU swap 2.0 is currently burning at 44 trillion per year. And so far we've burned through 356 billion SHIBUs. So that's a lot. But as you can see, it's not having much effect on the price. I mean, the price is still very much affected by the macroeconomics. Oh goodness me. Okay, let's close that window. We're going to go back into. Let's see if it loads now. It's incredibly processor intensive. This by bit chart. Internet issues coming today. Alrighty, looks like things are loading. Good stuff. Okay, so we're getting our, just gotta load the charts, we're getting our trades. So far we're about $1 up. Probably gonna be a longer term trade. Alrighty, we are loading. Thank you. Okay, so let's go into the full screen. Okay, so as you can see from the chart here, we are currently testing this support, this sort of support channel. I wouldn't call it really much of a channel. But this is the major support. And we've got a horizontal support here at about this 1.3 area. This is the major level of support. Now, if we break these trend lines, then the next level of support is going to be about 1250. That's sort of the first strong support area, and then there's nothing until we get to about 1. So if we break this area now, we're going to go down, I think, till about 970, maybe 1 to 1000, maybe 970. That is what I'm looking at now. So right now we're holding the support area quite well. I mean, we've had a number of rejections at the support area. Stock is reset. Stock is extremely oversold at the moment. So I'm feeling confident that we can hold this sort of support area. I've taken a long in the support area. I'm happy to ride it up to about 17500 around there. Okay, but now bearish signals. And also if you look at the volume, the daily, I mean, it's starting to show signs of exhaustion over here. I mean, the volume is coming down when it comes to the bears. So there is signs of bearish exhaustion. So I think we could have another pump. But it all depends on what's happening with Bitcoin, what's happening with Ethereum. But right now we're holding the support, which is a good thing. We're holding the horizontal support, which is a good thing. Now let's talk about some of the bearish indicators. Okay, firstly, we're still below the 200-day moving average. For me, that is an incredibly bearish sign. So until we get past this 200-day moving average, I'm not going to be totally bullish. Then also our 50-day moving average is still below the 200-day moving average. And on the, let me just see if we've crossed this, the 21-day moving average, I think we've just crossed above it. Let's just change the color of this so we could get a better. Let's just change it to white just so we could see it a bit better. Okay, so we still sort of below this 21-day moving average, and that's also sort of a bearish sign. So first thing what we need to do, we need to hold the support area here. Okay, then we need to break above the 21-day moving average. As you can see, the 21-day moving average is above the 50-day moving average. So that's one bullish signal. Another bullish signal is that we are extremely oversold here on the stock RSI. So we are in some sort of need of a correction. Then we need to get above the 21-day moving average. That's step 1. Step 2 is we need the 50-day moving average to start turning up and start coming closer to the 200-day moving average. So I'm not 100% convinced that we're going to have a big run. We might have another pump. But for now, I'm still going to take short positions, I mean small positions, scalping positions, daily, sort of like daily little scalps. I do think we need a reversal here, so that's why I've taken this. We've held both of these support areas, but for me this is a critical area, and you can see we're right on the precipice of it. We are very close to break. We've tested it a number of times. We tested it yesterday, or the early hours of this morning. We tested this line, and then we've bounced back up. So right now this is actually a very strong support. So if you want to take a short-term sort of like buy in this area, I would look at it, but I would protect yourself by creating a stop loss just below this sort of support line. So if you look at the 15-minute chart, I can show you where my stop loss is. So I've got a stop loss just below this support area. So if we break the support area, there's a good chance we're going to come down. So we'll protect ourselves there at that area. Also, I'm just going to ride this up and just see how far it goes. If we get above, say, 1.3, I mean 1300, I'll move my stop loss to break even, and then we'll just let it run. Alright, that is SHIBU, and that is my analysis of SHIBU. So the burning doesn't seem to be having much effect lately. I think the macroeconomics is sort of taking over. I mean, we see Bitcoin's down 0.4%, almost 0.5% today, but we are seeing some sort of good signs in the market. I think we've got some sort of selling exhaustion after the sell-off from the last couple of days, and I think we might see a little bit of a pump, but I would not put all my eggs in the one basket just yet. I think we still could see a leg down, but like I said, this sort of support area is the line in the sand for me. Once this is broken, I will start looking to change my strategy. If I look for maybe a retest of the support and then another short down. Got a little bit more time. Let's have a look at something else that I've just gone into. Solana. I've taken a long position in Solana, and it's very similar sort of position. Let me go over to the daily. Yeah, we are testing this support area over here. This is very strong support area. I've got two support areas. The first one is around, say, 35, and you can see we've had a number of tests on this area. We've tested it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then we've had some tests down here. So this is a very strong level of support for Solana. If we break this support, I've put my stop loss quite tight, just below the support area, and then my next area I'll be looking at is this 32 area, which will be the next area where I'll look to buy. There's probably the next level support. If that's broken, then the line in the sand for me is this sort of around here, around 30, between 30 and 27.5. That will be my next area of interest. We're looking to go long. I'm not going to short the market right now. I don't see we've had a big sell-off in the last couple of days. I'm a bit hesitant to short the market now. As you can see, we've had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 down days. A little bit of a push up, so I'm a bit hesitant. I think there is some bearish exhaustion in the market at the moment, and I do think we're going to see a little bit of a pump, but not significant unless the whole sort of market dynamics change at the moment. As you can see here, we are overbought as well, sitting at resistance, and that's a number of confluences for me to go long. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember, hit the likes, hit the subscribes, hit the notifications. I'm on every day. I'll be doing technical analysis every day. I'll be doing live trading. I'll be building algos live. I've got a new series coming up on how to build algos for crypto on Bybit. I'm really looking forward to that. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and see you soon.